Morning guys, welcome back to the channel. In today's video we are in Harlow and we are repairing a Mercedes bumper corner. It's a GLE, rear bumper corner. I think this is actually a hire car. The guy's using a hire car and he scraped it and it's urgent and it needs to be done. So we've got to go and make it look like it never happened. So yeah, I will show you the motor when we get there. I'll see you in a mo. There we go guys. Somebody scuffed there. We need to make this look lovely. You can't really see it. Loads of peel in this. This is what I was saying in my other video, new Mercedes. Scored up. Pure orange peeling on this one. Right, let's get some kit out, start making this look lovely again. See you in a mo. Well, that was funny. The power that the customer's plugged me into is in the hallway of his block of flats, and it must be on a timed circuit because all the power went off. We checked all the different floors, all the different plugs. He's had to run it through his window on the 3rd floor, and now it all works again. Let's crack on. Right, after the drama with the power, I had to plug my big lead in and run it all the way up to the top floor of a block of flats. We're all prepped out and ready to go. I've sheeted it all off obviously, so we're going to put a bit of brown paper around that and prime the area we need to prime, and when that's done we can flat that off and start getting ready to paint. Going to blend brown there. What I've done, so finish the repair area up to 320. I've used an 800 prep pad on the rest of the area, and now I've been going over with a 1000 disc wet, one of my Endasa foam ones, a bit like a Trizac, and scotching the edges, and I'm really happy with how it comes out when you do it that way. So yeah, what we do, get this sheeted off, masked off with a bit of brown paper, prime this, block this all out, upgraded this to 800, we're good to go. I've got to do a bit of polishing on the blend area there, and we should have this thing looking pretty again. No filler used on all them gouges, we literally mowed them all back down. I've done 80 grit, 180, 320, got all the marks and lacerations out, it's all looking sweet now. Yeah, we're ready to rumble. Let's get some brown paper on this thing and get some primer. to rumble. Paint's all made, we're all masked off. You saw me in the time lapse dusting some black on that. That's just some aerosol black, just to help with the coverage, and then we can base straight over that and it'll all be good. Alright, let's get cracking with the colour. Show you what this Fuji can do. Let's get some clear on this thing. You'd think being under this carport would be clean. I haven't had as much junk in a paint job in, oh, God knows how many years. It's horrendous. I'm too embarrassed to show you. Baked this up, flat and polished the crap out of it. The factory peel matches perfectly though. I am actually happy with that. Over on this corner, it looks lovely. Over here, full of crap and soot. So let's let this bake. We'll come back, start sanding this disaster and make it look pretty. It should be fine. It's just horrendous. There we go, guys. I saved it. Looking really good. You know, I managed to keep all the horrid orange peel matching everywhere else. Oh, I hate painting things with this much orange peel, but the whole vehicle's like it. There's peel everywhere. Can't really see, it's all filthy now. But yeah. Looking good. Let's get packed up. Whoa, that was a close one. That looked horrendous. I just felt like throwing gravel up it, telling him going home. Come out alright in the end. So much dust in there. If I ever get asked to do a job back in there, little undercroft bit, I'm never doing it. Yeah, I had cobwebs blown all over my van, and oh god, it was unreal. That's the most toot I've had in a job in a very long time. I should have definitely done that one outside. It would have been much cleaner and saved me a whole lot of polishing and mucking around. But customer was happy. I got the peel to match even after I flat and polished it, so there was plenty of peel in it. Yeah, he's over the moon. The motor, it ain't even his. And he's like, he thought it was fabulous before, and I was like, nah. I was like, yeah, I'm not done, mate. I've got to sand all this off. So yeah, it's done. Jobbed. Everybody's happy. I am done. I am going home. As always, a massive thanks for watching, and we'll see you very soon on the next one. Stay safe and be lucky.